Welcome to CryptoNet. So today we are going to discuss regarding a Learn and Earn program which is pretty famous in CoinMarketCap. So recently on August 31st they released a program for CRUST Network. So CoinMarketCap published certain tokens like this so that we users can learn about them. So most of them can be blogs and videos as well. All we have to do is go through them and attend certain quiz. And if we are lucky, we might have a chance to win those tokens as well. So all we have to do is go into CoinMarketCap homepage, click on Learn, click Earn from the drop-down menu, and there will be a list of tokens. Some of the programs might be over, and those that are still going on will have the tag live. All we have to do is click on it and start learning about them. If we want to know whether we have won any tokens or not, all we have to do is click on token distribution status in the Earn page. So let us dive straight into it. So here we are in the CoinMarketCap website. We are in the CRUST Network Learn and Earn webpage. We can see that this is a reward pool of 1,150 CRU tokens with an additional 50 diamonds. 0.1 CRU tokens will be distributed randomly to 10,000 winners, and 0.5 CRU worth token will be distributed to random 300 winners from those who have attended the bonus question as well. If we scroll down, we can start attending the question. First, click on the captcha, select I agree, select yes. Now we are required to provide our associated email address. Let us provide a Binance user ID. Here is the first question. Which storage layer protocol currently CRUST provides an incentive layer for? Let us click on the hint. So here it says CRUST Network is a decentralized storage protocol that provides an incentive layer for IPv4 storage network nodes. So the answer is option B. What technical framework is used to build the CRUST public chain? So it says CRUST Network is a decentralized cloud protocol developed with the Polkadot substrate framework. So the answer is option A. What is the number of tokens CRUST mainnet is launched? So it says here that the initially generated tokens are 20 million. The answer is option B. In the CRUST incentive consensus mechanism, what does the stake limit of a node depend on? The network will calculate a staking limit based on the node's storage space. So the answer is option C. What year and month did CRUST open its storage function? Let us take a look at the hints. It says in the second quarter of 2021 that the first stable version of DSM was launched, launch preview network, and enable cloud storage market. But if we take a look at the lesson 4 video, we can see at around 45th second that it says on February 4th this year, that is 2021, the Maxwell network preview was launched. So I'm a bit confused regarding this answer, but I'm going to go ahead with February 2021. Which application has used CRUST storage to deploy dApp? If we take a look at the hint lesson 4 video, we can see around the 2nd minute 10th second that it says in March of this year, Uniswap merged our dApp deployment code. So option B is the answer. In which month and year will the CRUST mainnet go live? So as you can see in the lesson 4 video, around 1 minute it says at the beginning of September, CRUST will launch the mainnet. So the option B is the answer. Next, we are required to provide our CRUST main chain address. For that, we are required to go to the CRUST official website, click on Get Start and choose CRUST Maxwell. Then we gotta click on the top left corner CRUST Maxwell version and change it to CRUST Live Network. by clicking on the switch button at the top. Then we have to click on accounts, then click on add account. Now we'll be able to view our unique mnemonic code. Click on the checkbox and proceed to next. We are now required to provide a name, our own password, and click on next. Now click on save. Now we are back to our accounts page, and on clicking our username we'll be able to copy our chain mainnet address and paste it here. This is a bonus question that you can answer. Try CRUST storage. The tutorial in the lesson 3 video. Leave the CID of your file you ordered and we will verify it. So I think you have to make an order for this. Next we are required to add the CRU token to our watch list and paste the URL link here. Let's go back to the CoinMarketCap website, and in the home page let's click on search and type CRU token. Let us click on the star icon which is nearby the CRU title. Let's go back to the CoinMarketCap homepage, click on my account and click watch list from the drop down. Then let's click on share. Now we got to make sure that the public toggle button is enabled, and let's now copy the link and paste it back in the quiz answer. Now let us scroll down, click on the captcha and submit the form, and that's it.